Hey guys, I hope y'all are all doing well. I am doing our weekly update through a video today. So this week you guys are moving on to finish up special populations, so it's part 2. And then we will move on to chapter 34, which is covering basic pharmacology. You'll see here for this week, we already have your overview videos as well as your PowerPoints. And then I don't want y'all to forget, you need to play these Kahoots. They're quick 10-question Kahoots about the material, but that does count for your participation grade. So don't forget to be doing that, guys. And then we will have our last discussion board post. So don't forget to work on that this week. It's over medication education. So covering that pharmacology bit. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me, or you can post in the activity feed that I have posted on the course homepage. Post anything that you have questions about or concerns or any helpful hints for other students. And I'm here for you guys. I hope y'all are all doing well.